Hello students. Today again we will continue the same chapter in SST. Chapter 13. Our festivals. And today we will start Harvest Festival. So Harvest Festival mark the change of seasons. Harvest is the time when crops are ready to be cut and harvested. It is a time for celebration. So first we will talk about Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. People worship the sun, rain and cows. They decorate their houses with columns, a special sweet dish of rice and milk called Pongal is prepared. This festival is celebrated as Sankranti in some parts of India. Now we will talk about Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is also called the festival of flowers. It is celebrated in honor of King Mahabali. People clean their houses, wear new clothes and give special feast called Onam Sandhya. Elephants are beautifully decorated and snake boat races are held. Now we will talk about Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. It is celebrated 3 times in a year. People wear new traditional clothes and celebrated with music and dance. Bonfires are lighted. Bullfights are held. Now next festival is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated in North India, especially Punjab. It marks the harvest of wheat crop. Men perform bhangra on dhol beats and women perform gidda. Fairs are also held. Now we will talk about festivals of Northeast. So Northeastern region is a place of diverse culture. Now what is diverse culture? Different culture, variety of culture we can find in Northeast place. Different communities and tribes of Northeast India celebrate their unique festival with great enthusiasm and joy. And many of these festivals are based on agriculture, as most of the population of India are depending upon agriculture. So now at first we will discuss about Wangala. Wangala festival of Meghalaya is the most popular festival among the Garos of Meghalaya, India. It is a harvest festival. This festival is also called the festival of 100 drums. So in this festival, they give thanks to Misi Saljong, the sun god, for blessing the people with a rich harvest. It also signifies the onset of winter. Now, next festival is Hornbill. The Hornbill festival is celebrated by Zeliang Naga tribal men of Nagaland. This festival is a celebration held every year in the first week of December in Nagaland. It provides a colorful mixture of dance, performance, crafts, parades, games, sports, food, fairs, and religious ceremonies. The aim of the festival is to revive and protect the rich culture of Nagaland. Now, our next festival is Chapchar. So this is one of the oldest festival of Mizoram and has a great cultural significance. It is an annual harvest festival celebrated in the month of March. It is a week-long festival and celebrated with great pomp and gaiety. Now the chapter is completed. I hope you have understood this chapter. In next class, we will discuss about exercise and question answer. Till then, thank you.